Welcome back, Dobbs gang. Today we're continuing the build series for the R1, and as always, we're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna mess around. We're installing today the JL Design fender eliminator kit, which is right here. The winglet lights that go right here, the indicators, and they're tri-function, so they're gonna act as our brake light and turn signals, as well as our smoked tail light, which this is a stock one right here. Insulin Junkie got the smoked one. Looking stealth. Damn. All right, let's start this install. While Insulin Junkie starts out taking everything apart and getting this rear tail light taken out, I just want to say that JL Design was in my R6. I had nothing but good luck with it. It looked great. The aesthetics of it looked awesome. The function of it was perfect. For those of us that aren't inclined with anything electrical like myself, you're gonna need a hand. But we got you. We got you. And Insulin Junkie's here, and this is gonna be the install video. All right, let's do it. So we're midway tearing it apart. You've got to take off both side fairings here on the tail. We're gonna remove this plastic piece, and you just have to take it apart, all the bolts, everything. Take it all off, and then we're gonna be able to move this right here. All right, so after you get, oh Jesus Christ, I got it. And then the new one's just gonna slip back in just as easy as this one just fell out. All right, don't need this crap anymore. Oh, Jesus, okay. That was scary.
This piece just needs to go under.
Whew. It's a good thing I'm not a mechanic. I'd be freaking out all day. Damn, that looks nice. Oh, hey, oh, we got it. Damn, that looks clean. Let's just leave it just like that. Okay.
You gotta ride home like this, Dobbs.
All right, Dobbsymoto, out. Now you just put it back together. You got it in there. You gotta put the sides back together. We're gonna wire it up first. Can you even see me? Let me just... we gotta wire it up first. So when you take it out, take the wires out of the zip tie or however they're tied up, you're gonna get your red, Jesus, I'm colorblind. You're gonna have your blue and your yellow. Red, blue and your yellow right there. Then this was originally hooked up to everything. Brake light, tail light, turn signals.
This is why it takes us so long to get anything done. He films and I do the work all the time.
I look good for the camera. What can I say? Ladies and gents, we are now at the stage where we're gonna take these turn signals, you're gonna line it up, you're gonna put a hole right underneath the winglet where those wires are gonna lead into. Nice and easy. And then feed these wires right on through that little hole up into the tail of your bike. All right, we got this one all up here looking flush. You feed the wires up through this panel into that hole. Insulin Junkie's working on hole number 2. Ah! Oh, fuck me running. It's okay, it's okay. Everything's okay. Now before we wire this up, making it look nice and pretty, let's test this rear tail light. Hit it! Woo! Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Hey! Alright, back to work. Let's wire it up.
This man won't give me his fucking pancreas. I worked on his bike. I installed tail light, lights, and now we're working on wiring. I wouldn't be able to do it without this guy right here though. Only because I wouldn't have a bike to work on. Master mechanic. All right, so we just got done wiring, or should I say, I got done wiring it. That's why he brought the bike here. But each turn signal has 3 wires basically. It has a red, a yellow, and a grounds. They go down. And then this, the tailpiece, has 2 external wires that will go to each side, and then 3 middle wires where the other 2 wires will crimp to But we actually had to make jumpers. That's why there's a lot more wires in here than you see. But it's pretty self-explanatory. There's a diagram I had to keep looking at. But
I'll disagree. I don't think it's self-explanatory, but with somebody who understands diagrams, it's a lot easier. So if you don't know a thing about this sort of thing, like you're gonna need a little bit of assistance. But other than that,
yeah, I can do it better than I can explain it myself.
Oh, we're back. What do you know? So the install took a little bit longer than we were expecting. Ran out of GoPro battery. It is what it is. As far as the wiring goes, Insulin Junkie gave you a little rundown on how to do it. I was wrong earlier. I'm sure I already pointed it out in this video. But this install, like, it comes with a manual. I don't know why it said it doesn't come with a manual. It's in the box. It comes with a manual, so you're gonna know what to do. But I'm just not great at wiring, so I got Insulin Junkie to help me out. Or really, he did it, to be honest. You guys saw. You guys want to check it out? I love that startup screen. Ooh, look how crispy it is. It's a smoked out taillight, but it's bright. I mean, you can see it really well. Let's check it out. The brakes. Looking good. Yeah, this kit is incredible. It looks really, really good. So like I said before, I've used JL Design in the past. I had it on my 2017 R6. Pretty much a very similar kit, but I didn't have these weren't brake lights, these were only turn signals. So this tri-function is really cool. It's new to me, and I'm really happy with it. I think it looks incredible. Definitely gonna get some compliments for this. There you have it, Dobbsy gang. Just like that, install's done. I wanna shout out JL Design. This is a supreme product. You can tell that they really took the time, make sure this was gonna be something that lasted a long time, as well as something that looked good and functioned even better, if that's possible. For the R1, this is the sexiest looking taillight and turn signals on the market. There's no doubt. It illuminates those fins. Just looks super good. I'm really happy with it. We have loads more coming to the channel. I'm about to rip this bike apart right now so we can start throwing more on there, including the vinyl wrap. So don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and follow me on all socials. Dobbsy gang, I'll check you later. Dobbsymoto.